This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first, you will need to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then amongst the available control panel tiles, find the one that says nearby share, touch and hold at its icon, onwards turn it on like that. From here you can rename your device if you really want to. You can control or manage your device visibility and modify what network type will be preferred for the file transfer, so data, Wi-Fi only or without internet, thus Bluetooth. Then once everything is set up, we can just go ahead and try this feature out. So I will send the screenshot I just took. As you can see, the transfer went through successfully, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.